Isn't it so yummy?
Do I have to talk the rest of this episode?
I know. If you're into Rice Krispie treats, funfetti cakes, Skittles, and frosting, you better sit down because you're about to have a sugar overdose on this episode of our show. Today we're gonna be making a surprise piñata cake, and because I can only bake concealer, barely, I have brought in a baking expert and YouTuber, Brandi Malloy, to join me. Hi! Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Girl, thanks for coming. We need all the help we can get.
This recipe is so fun. It's super simple. It's easy.
Recipes for dummies, that's what this show is.
For this recipe, you'll need butter, marshmallows, Skittles, cereals, frosting, and sprinkles.
It's really easy. It's literally just butter, marshmallows, and cereal. So we're gonna start by putting a couple tablespoons of butter in there.
So this is like fake baking.
Yeah, actually we don't even put anything in the oven, so it's not really baking.
Yeah, that's good.
Wait, so I still can't get over the fact that you've never made a marshmallow cereal treat?
I have never made a Rice Krispie treat. I actually thought they were invented when I was a teenager, and I didn't want to say that on the show because I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna age me so badly. Then I Googled it. Rice Krispie treats were founded in 1939, and I think it's clear I'm a little younger than that, so I could share that tidbit. So how much butter do you use? Is less more or more more?
More is more. I love butter. But here's the thing, so we're actually gonna make 3 different batches of cereal treats because this is gonna be a 3-layered cake. So it's just gonna be butter, marshmallow, cereal, and we're gonna do that 3 times.
Sounds complicated, but I trust you when you say it's not.
So once your butter starts to melt, you're just gonna add the marshmallows and you can pop those in there.
Thank you.
And here's my thing with marshmallow cereal treats. I feel like there has to be the perfect ratio of marshmallow to cereal. And some people, they don't put enough marshmallows in, so we have plenty of marshmallows happening.
So this is the perfect ratio.
Yeah, because I wrote the recipe.
Yes.
So now that it's nice and gooey, we can add our cereal. So the first cereal that I brought is Lucky Charms, but with little unicorn marshmallows.
Look at that. Can you guys see the little unicorn element to it?
I'm gonna pour the cereal in there.
Okay. Sorry, I've been talking too much. We might have already burned
No, it's good, it's good. All right, so give that a mix.
Oh my gosh, Brandi, this smells so good.
I know.
And what I love about this is like, I'm not dirty yet.
Well, I will say you're not cooking unless you make a mess.
Okay.
Because it shouldn't be too precious. I mean, you should be tasting and trying and, okay, this is looking awesome.
Is it too soon to eat?
Yes. I'm gonna let you have some in a minute, but it's too hot, so you're gonna burn your little tongue.
It's already a geographical tongue anyway.
Is it yummy?
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
It's not too hot, kids. Try it at home.
Oh my gosh. See, I start with the fingers and I'm like,
because you're a mom.
That's probably why. I'm a mom now.
I'm a toddler. You're a mom.
Look how yummy that looks. This is how you know. I mean, we're getting serious over here.
You're getting serious. I'm getting hungry.
So this is our first layer. It's just a little cake pan. You can buy these at a craft store or online. And I sprayed it with some nonstick cooking spray.
Okay.
And we're just going to pour. Do you want to hold this side?
I can definitely do something during this episode, yes. Let me help you. And the unicorns are all dead in there. Look at it. It's like unicorn blood everywhere. It's a massacre.
All right, so once the marshmallows really start to get nice and gooey, we can pour in our next cereal.
Gooey is such a great word, by the way. Very underutilized in American culture.
Going in?
Going in. Load me up, girl. I feel like a real sous chef. That's what you call helpers,
I know.
right?
I kind of like it. I get to boss you around in the kitchen.
Call me anytime you need someone to stir your marshmallows. You know what's so interesting? I never liked Rice Krispie treats as a kid, but I feel like these will taste better because it's fruity. There's like extra flavors.
Yeah, poor Rice Krispie treats. They are kind of basic. There's nothing basic about these 2 broads. I mean,
broads. Yes, I do feel like I'm in 1939 when Rice Krispie treats were invented.
All right, so we're gonna add our butter for the third one.
So you can do as many layers as you want, right?
You really could. I mean, depending on the pan size, you could do like rectangle ones and load them up. I mean, this would be so great for a birthday party or to bring to a barbecue to impress people. Okay, marshmallows are going in. Cool, this is our 3rd layer, and because this is my favorite flavor,
which is Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles. Can we just take a moment of silence to really respect the Fruity Pebble-ness in all its glory, the crispiness, the crunchiness, the flavor, the tropical? Smell it. It's the best.
There was a spiritual awakening that just happened.
Yes. Ready? Yep. So coat those really well. All right, this is looking good.
This looks too good. All right, we're ready?
Yep.
Ooh, you got good aim. Literally, the measurements are perfect, Brady. How did you do that?
I don't know. I think it's my job or something.
Must be nice to be good at your job.
Best job in the world. Sorry, I have to go to work and make Fruity Pebbles all day.
So we're all set here. We've got every colored thing that you can find at the grocery store we picked up for this.
The cool thing about this cake, it's a piñata surprise cake. So we're actually gonna cut holes in all 3 of our cake layers.
Okay.
So I'll do this
What,
first
is this just a cookie cutter?
Yeah, this is a biscuit cutter, but honestly, you guys could use a cookie cutter. You could actually put a bowl right there and carefully use a knife.
With a knife?
Yep. Careful. And this is when all those bar classes and weightlifting, or whatever you do to work out and stay so awesome in shape. I hope you like a lot of Skittles because I'm definitely gonna fill this whole thing with Skittles. Is that okay with you?
Are we doing sprinkles too on the inside?
Yes, why not?
Let's do it.
Okay, go ahead and do this one just because I don't want to do it.
Okay, great.
Okay, while you're doing that, this is how I'm gonna make sure that all of our fun things don't fall out. So once you cut the center out, put half of it back in and close the hole. We have the first layer. This is our second layer, this is our third, and then we'll use this as a little tapa.
Oh wow, you're so smart.
Okay, so you guys only want to frost it on the edge because we need to make sure that we save room for whatever we put down the center, which in this case, we're gonna do candies. Literally just slather it on, take your time, and this is actually gonna be a naked cake. We're not gonna frost the outside.
Why would you cover this up? It's too pretty.
Well, if you wanted to be like a true surprise piñata, you could, but I kind of like showing what people are in for. And then if you want to put some sprinkles,
right now?
I brought you some, why not? In between each layer.
These are my favorite. I don't know what these are, but if it comes with a little wooden spoon, I want it. So do I sprinkle it in the middle?
Just around the edge so that it sticks.
Sorry,
yeah.
I should have listened.
No, that's okay. Not too much. Maybe just like a little. Yes, yes.
There we go.
Channel your inner Salt Bay, Sprinkle Bay. Okay, so now we're gonna put our next one right on top. See, so you can see a little bit.
Wow.
All right, so how about you do the frosting, I'll do the sprinkles.
I've got this.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And do more sprinkles. I like putting it on the edge or everywhere.
Well, you said to make a mess, that's how you know you're a real chef.
I did say that. Oh my gosh, now you are acting like a kid. When they're like, but Mom, you did say this. I got caught. Okay, so third layer coming up. And look at that, it's not quite even, but it doesn't matter because no one's gonna see. Are you guys so impressed by this right now? I mean, just look at it.
So
look how
cool.
glorious it is. I mean, it's really so great that it's sugar-free and fat-free too.
Yeah, guilt-free,
yeah,
all of the threes.
No, this isn't a cake that you eat your feelings with at all. Okay, sprinkles. Hit it, girl. Here's your little, or not, whoa, wait. I saw what you were about to do. Use the scooper. You were having too much fun. Look how cute she is. Did you see that mischievous look?
How did you know?
I know you. I'm getting to know you, and I know you. Oh my God.
I was totally gonna pour it.
You have to respect the sprinkles. Look at these beautiful, there's nonpareils, there's jimmies, there's little confettis, there's sugared salt.
The fact that you know that there are different types of sprinkles.
Yes.
You're such a chef, get out of here. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed by its beauty.
Oh my gosh, but we're not done yet. Okay, so I brought some really yummy Skittles. And if you want to just pour them in there.
So I just pour it in?
So then you take that extra piece, place it on top, and then we're going to put a little more frosting. You want to do that? We want to do that?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is so exciting.
There you go. Smear it all over, and then we'll put more sprinkles on
And
top.
we used 1 container of frosting. That's perfect.
Efficiency around here.
Look at that. That's pretty, right? Did I do a good job?
This is seriously stunning.
Guys,
This is like something to look at right here.
it's also really easy, which is right up my alley.
You wanted a unicorn, funfetti, rainbow, surprise piñata cake.
And that is what we have.
This
here,
is what
folks.
you got, girl. Congratulations on your show.
Thank
your
you.
cake.
Now, cutting it
Yeah.
might be a challenge.
This
You're
is
ready?
the
big moment.
I'm gonna
the
cut you a
reveal.
slice. Okay, you definitely want to use a nice sharp knife. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. What's
Starting
in
to fall
there?
out.
I don't know.
This would be great for like a gender reveal party.
Yes.
You know, like if you were having a baby, nothing I know anything about.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go.
Wow, look at it all. I've been so excited about this the whole time. The moment has come.
You can finally try it.
Oh my goodness. You really need to share a slice with a friend.
You
though.
almost need like a giant pitchfork to get every layer.
Okay, I'm gonna see how deep I can go. I got a little
You got like a, oh my gosh.
I want the variety pack, you know?
I mean, I do think that you kind of have to get every single flavor in one bite. So you get the gooiness from the marshmallow, the crunch from the cereal, the smooth rainbow chip.
Thank you, girl.
You're welcome. Oh
my God.
Isn't it so yummy?
Brandi, thank you so much for
Yes.
sharing this recipe. You guys, she literally made this up herself. And if you want to make this at home, you can do it. It's really easy. It's really cheap. We're going to link to her blog in the description below. Also, she did a whole behind the scenes video here at Clevver.
Yes, check out the video. I got to interview Erin. We did some fun behind the scenes. You can go see that as well.
I have to go because I have to finish
you
this.
have some enjoyment to do, and I think I need a slice myself.
All right, guys, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments if there are any fun recipes we should be trying. Oh, I just got a Skittle.
I was just gonna say, a little bit of chew, a little surprise.
Let us know in the comments, you guys. We love you. We'll see you back here next week.
For even more What the Flavor, click the top video to see Erin and Jarrett make a Taco Bell Doritos Crunch Wrap. It's amazing. Or click the bottom video to see me get a Hannibal Lecter facial because that is a real thing that exists and it's terrifying. Also subscribe, please.